the green hills of my childhood, and the mist hanging low on the fields. Then this northern American village would seem more like heaven to me. But crowded around in my dreaming are things I no longer can see, than the places I've always been leaving since I wandered away from the lead. Every man has a thought to go roaming, for far foreign fields are more green than the fields of the land he was born in, the world that he never has seen. They told me when leaving my island, a new life would open for me. But now how I long for my Ireland and my own life at home by the Lee. When the Dust Bowl has blown all around me, and weary I drive from my eyes, not the sand that is seeking to blind me, but the stars of my blue Irish skies. This Canadian land is a rare one, with work flowing plenty and free. But the vision I have is a fair one, at home by the banks of the Lee.